Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying. If you choose to sit, adopt an upright posture with your shoulders down. For the next few seconds, become aware of your body in this position. Notice the feel of the surface where it touches your body. And notice your breath as it begins to deepen and moves in and out of your lungs. On the next breath out, close your eyes. When you feel ready, see if you can slowly allow your attention to broaden away from your body. Start to become aware of the sounds around you. Try not to reach out to the sounds or change them in any way. Just become aware of what you can hear. Notice as the sounds arise and disappear. Let the sounds come to you. It's normal for your mind to begin to wander, perhaps with thoughts, judging the sounds, or wishing the sounds would change, or wondering what the sounds are. When you notice these thoughts, gently guide your attention back to just listening to the sounds, noticing them with curiosity as they arise and fall around you. Now see if you can shift the focus of your attention more purposefully to one sound that you can hear. Try to use this one sound as an anchor for your attention. When your mind wanders, as it's perfectly normal to do, just notice where your mind has gone and gently guide it back to the sound as an anchor for your attention. Notice with curiosity the nature and characteristics of this sound. And now try and shift your attention again. Notice again all the sounds around you, not just the one sound. Become more aware of the space that you're in and the way that your body feels against the surface. Notice as your body moves with each in-breath and each out-breath. Take a few long, slow breaths here. And then if you feel ready, you can open your eyes.